Today we will open a Mac Mini from late 2014 and change the thermal paste, also clean the dust from inside. As you can see, here we have a Mac Mini from late 2014 and the operating system is macOS Catalina. Right now the temperature of the Mac Mini is around 69 degrees Celsius for the CPU and 71 for the GPU. Let's do a Geekbench 5 score and see the score before. We will see if changing the thermal paste will improve the Geekbench score or not. Okay, it's done, and this is the score. Next I will switch to my iPhone and record how I will open the Mac Mini and change the thermal paste, also clean the dust from inside. Okay guys, now let's proceed with the Mac Mini. Okay, next I will use some alcohol, pure alcohol, to clean the CPU and the heatsink. As you can see, probably the small die is the GPU and the big one is the CPU, and I saw the heatsinks only cover the big die. Very strange. Done. And now let's see the temperature. Right now it's 60 degrees for the CPU and 60 degrees for the GPU. Okay, so the score it's almost the same, no difference. So after 2 days, I got a better score and better thermals. This is the new score. So it's a little higher compared with the one from the first time before we changed the thermal paste of the CPU. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you, and please subscribe for future videos.